Hello, everybody, and welcome to our webinar series on insurance. My name is Chi Ross, and I work as a real estate agent with Grenville Guardian Real Estate. And I have with me today Lisa from Sun Life Insurance, Sun Life Financial. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Chi. Thanks for the invite today.
No problem. So, Lisa, I'm just going to share the screen with our viewers before we get started, just to introduce them to our webinar. So, ready to buy your first home. Now what? Let's talk insurance again. So our guest speaker, you've probably met her before if you've been following our web series, Lisa Venne, Sun Life Financial. And here's a little bit of information about Lisa. And of course, you can contact her. You can visit her site for more info. So the question we're going to answer today with Lisa is, how can I decide which mortgage insurance best suits my needs? So I'll leave it to you, Lisa.
Great. Thanks, Chi. So there's a real misunderstanding as to what life insuring your mortgage and what insuring your mortgage through your lender means. So when you take out a mortgage loan at a bank or through a mortgage broker, they are going to ask you to insure that loan. So what they are doing is ensuring that should you pass, they're going to get all their money back for that loan. If you have money in other places, maybe you don't need to insure that loan, but that's not the case with most people. So what I always recommend is take a look at life insuring your loan, because when you life insure your mortgage, what you're doing is you're actually putting insurance on your life so that if you pass, you now have choices as to what to do with that money. The reason that this makes sense, Chi, is because when that money is paid out to your beneficiary, they can make a decision as to whether or not they actually want to pay out the remainder of your mortgage, or if they want to use that money to invest and now pay the minimum payments on the mortgage and use the other investment money to continue to pay their lifestyle expenses. When you're young and healthy, it makes sense to put this in place when you're young. But there's always, even with mortgage insurance, when you're trying to put it in place later on, the cost becomes very expensive. So even I've been working with some clients who are over 60 and remortgaging for whatever purpose, and often life insurance is less expensive than the creditor protection insurance that they put on the bank. So it's certainly worth a discussion with an advisor. That's all that I recommend. At least sit down with an advisor and learn what your numbers are. Find out what your actual need is, and and they'll be able to help you determine what amount makes sense for your particular situation.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Lisa. That's really good information. And Lisa, when would you recommend would be the time to sort of start asking these questions in the home buying process?
Ideally, if you have not put a mortgage on yet, you want to sit down with an advisor and find out the cost of life insurance. If you have the idea of the purchase price in mind and the amount of the loan that you're going to be taking, underwriting for life insurance takes about 3 months. So you want to avoid, ideally, having to pay a mortgage protection insurance as well as a life insurance cost at the same time. Yes, you would be double insured, but most people don't have it in their budgets to be able to pay both insurances. So my best recommendation is start the life insurance process prior to purchasing your mortgage. But even at that, I have had clients who have a mortgage insurance in place. They've come to me and I've been able to save them $70 a month. So to pay that over a 3-month period until underwriting comes in before they cancel their mortgage insurance, it makes sense, because over the long run, they're saving that much money in the long run. So
perfect.
Knowing where to put your money so it makes the most sense for you.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Lisa. You're always a wealth of information. I absolutely enjoy the way that you're able to explain this topic that's often a topic of confusion for many people. So thank you so much. We look forward to speaking with you again. Bye, everyone. Bye, Lisa.
Take care.